How to get a fishing license in California. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a fishing license in California. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. California offers different types of fishing licenses, including annual, 1 day, 2 day, and 10-day licenses for both residents and non residents. Decide which one best suits your needs. Certain groups, like low income Native Americans, disabled veterans, and blind individuals, may be eligible for discounted or free fishing licenses in California. Head to the official CDFW website to purchase a license online. This is the most convenient way to apply, especially if you want a digital copy. If you prefer to buy a license in person, you can do so at many sporting goods stores, bait and tackle shops, and CDFW offices across California. Be prepared to show a valid ID, proof of residency for a resident license, and any necessary documents if you qualify for a discounted or free license. License fees vary based on the type of license and any additional permits. The CDFW website has up-to-date pricing for each license type, so make sure to confirm the amount before paying. California has specific regulations for fishing seasons, bag limits, and protected areas. Make sure you're familiar with these to avoid penalties. Whether you opt for a digital or physical license, keep it on hand while fishing. Conservation officers may ask to see your license during checks. That's all for the video.